Alright, yeah, I feel like every time I update and make a new video, the shit just keep getting higher and higher. The market keeps getting hotter and hotter. Like at this point, there's no fucking reason to short if you ask me. Like there's no reason to be preying or looking for any type of short targets in the short term or in the near term because the shit just keeps going higher. So the chart I have in front of us is the Bitcoin chart, obviously, and this is the monthly. Look at last month's candle, so the candle of November. The shit pumped nearly $7,000. Look at this shit. Let's see. How much percent is that? The shit pumped 50% in one month. That shit is unheard of. But anyway, let's look at this chart. Let's label what's important. I deleted all the lines off of it because it was just getting too confusing while I was trading. So I need a fresh chart and mark it up now. So the very first thing I want to put is the monthly open. So December, we have a monthly open of 19.7. So this is the monthly open. Like I want y'all to know, like above here, I don't even know where to put targets because this is all-time high, right? 20K. Right, so I'm saying here is all-time high, right? So I'm gonna label this extreme FOMO. For those who don't know what FOMO is, it's the fear of missing out. Feel me? There's a lot of people who want to get rich, right? A lot of people want to get rich. There's a lot of people that miss this train. Like, feel me? If you miss this train, it's just like, look at this. The shit went straight up from September to now. So like, this was a train. I mean, look, the COVID dump. The COVID dump took us to 3,000. Like at one point in 2020, Bitcoin was $3,800. Right? It's 20K now. That's what a 7x almost a 7x gain. That's not bad. Like you can't find that nowhere else. I mean, you can if you're selling coke and shit like that, but not everybody built for that. I know y'all not built for that because y'all on YouTube. But these type of gains is unheard of, bro. Really, they're really unheard of unless you're involved. And I think more and more people need to get involved with this marketplace because every day that goes by, it just seems to amaze me. But back to what I was talking about. So I say if price breaks this, the all-time high, I don't know where to put a long target, but let's put an educated guess. I think there's going to be so much buying. We could easily go to 23K, 24K. Let's do 20, 21. Let's do 21K, right? But as I said, this could be inaccurate. Like it could shoot past this. Right? We're gonna do that long target. Excuse me. Alright, so we're gonna do 21K, 23K, and 24K. Like when price is this high, it moves so fast. So like it's easy for it to pump $1,000 from 20K to 21K, just like yesterday it pumped $1,000. So like $1,000 pumps in this day and age, they're becoming normal. So like you just have to be prepared. So let's go. Let's do 21, 22, and 23. Let's just keep it in 1,000. 1,000. Let's do 22K. Right, long target. And before I used to think that this is wishful thinking that price will get this high, but now after this price action that I seen in the past 2 months, it's completely possible for this shit to even go to 50K. Like if you turn on CNN and all the news, I try not to pay attention to that shit though. They have like these ridiculous numbers like Bitcoin at 300K and all this other shit, but who knows? 23, right? 23,000. And then 24. Let's just leave it there for now. Let's let these targets. But December 1st is tomorrow, so you never know. The first of the month, we usually get like a really nice pump. So let's just see how this shit plays out. Alright, so we have shit. Alright, there we go. So those are the long targets we're gonna play for now. So a long 20K, take profit 24K. Let's see how much profit that is. Jesus, Jesus, that is a lot. That is really a lot of profit. Um, that's all I'm gonna say. That's just a lot of profit. But let's see. So the dump we had a little Thanksgiving sell off. What was that? 3K from 19.6 to 16.1, a little over 3K, and that happened in 2 days. That downtrend was here, so I'm just gonna put downtrend, make it red. Thanksgiving. I'm gonna just label this Thanksgiving dump. So like if price gets here, I might explore a high leverage short opportunity. But I like that's betting against the trend. It's fucking risky. The trend is your friend, and the trend is up. So why short? But it's possible for us to go into another downtrend before another move, a strong move to the upside. It's Thanksgiving downtrend, right? So the downtrend was 565, 19,565. Let's take this down a little bit more. We have daily support, 18,009 right here. Right. So if it does fall, there are going to be a lot of buy orders at 18.9. 18.3 is even possible. Let's go to 4 hour. Let's break it down a little bit more. Yeah. But like given this price action, price should just probably come down to the daily support and then bounce right back up. Or let me see. Or this area here, these 2 wicks. This probably a strong buy. Not even probably, this is a strong buy zone. If it's bullish. So I'll be looking for entries in this red box or at this support zone. If this support fails at 18.3, this would be, let me change this to a bearish breaker. Right? If we get a 4 hour close below 18.3, I think it's safe to say we'll test some lower targets once again. Just for the fun of it, to load back up the train. Because Wall Street and the people with the real money, they're really greedy. So like once prices this high, they make a little less money, and that's not what they're into. They're into greed. So they like to pump it, dump it, pump it, dump it. So like I could see it falling one last time. So if you're gonna short here, you could take targets at, let's see, short target, right? Let's go with this one. So we have a short target there. Short target here. Next, I'm gonna do a video of Ethereum and chart that for y'all because Ethereum didn't have the run up like Bitcoin had. So like right now, Bitcoin is at all-time high. If Ether was following right behind it, it should be at like 1,500, and it's not. So I think there's definitely a lot of fucking money to be made in Ethereum as well in the month of December. A lot of money. Hold on, let's see. 17.7. Okay. Sure, target here. And then in this box. Switch right down here. So I think, not even I think, according to price action, the longer we trade above 19.5, the higher the chances of us going up, right? And for those of you looking to get into a trade in the near future, long the monthly open. Should be a safe trade for the most part. Buy the book, it's textbook. Above here, we go up. And you can take profit at all-time high or below. As you see, this morning when I woke up, I wasn't even expecting. I went to sleep last night at price was like 18.3, right? And I woke up at like 19.7. So I honestly thought like, yo, this shit was gonna break all-time high, but you see, like it just sold off right before, like just like even today, it came down to 19K, pumped back up to 19.8, and now we're having another sell-off. So the move up is never just, oh, we're going straight up. It's gonna go up, chop around, come down, chop around, and then eventually make another move up. So for now, we'll just watch price action, and I'll just keep you updated as price moves. But it's kind of hard to make these videos, I swear, because when I'm trading, price be moving so fast, and I just be sitting here in amazement, like, what the fuck? This shit makes no sense, but we gonna make some sense of this shit. We gonna make some sense of it. So I'm gonna try my best to make these videos every day. No promises, but I'm gonna try my best.